The monitoring summary report will show you the temperatures that have been recorded by the sensors on a graph, and it's a great report to use if you're looking for changes or trends. Press View and then select the location on the left. You'll now see a tile with the name of each sensor, together with a little table that shows you the average, minimum and maximum temperatures that sensor is recording. You'll also notice that each tile is surrounded by a different coloured border. When I select a sensor or sensors, you'll notice that the readings are plotted on the graph and the line is in the same colour as the border. If you want to remove a sensor from the graph, then all you need to do is click again to remove it. When I'm looking at this report, I usually select sensors that are of a similar type. And the reason I do that is because if, for example, I included fridges and freezers, then the range on the graph would be considerably greater, which makes the view slightly less effective. So I'm going to select my fridge sensors. I can now see the temperatures on the left and the dates along the bottom. You may also notice dots along the line. If I hover over them, you'll see the date, time, and temperature. And this is probably an easier way to view the temperatures than trying to pinpoint the exact time along the bottom here. If you want to see the temperatures for a different date range, then you can do so by clicking on the drop-down above where you see today. You can either select a specific date, a specific date range, or a specific time frame on the right. If you do change them, just make sure that you press Generate, and then you'll need to plot the names of the sensor again. This report is a great way for you to spot and monitor trends. If, for example, you notice spikes at the same time every day or every week, then you can look at that with a view to understanding what happens at that time. Is it that deliveries come at that time, that you're restocking? Is there an auto defrost at that time? When you understand the environment around you, it usually means that you can better understand the behaviour of the sensors. So that's the monitoring summary report. The last section in this course is the automated monitoring status screen, which is where we can view what the sensors are doing right now.